Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you solve this fun MIT integration B question? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have lim x tends to 0, ex minus 1 minus x squared by 2 upon x cube. So to find its value, we must know Maclaurin series for ex. So the Maclaurin series for ex, it is ex is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube upon 6 plus o x4, okay, which continues till infinity. So if we take ex negative of 1 minus x square by 2 is equal to x cube upon 6 plus 0 x4, it tends to infinity, and we can take this 6 on the other side, sorry, the x cube on the other side, because we have to match this question. So ex minus 1 minus x square by 2 upon x cube is equal to 1 by 6 plus o x4. Now we can take, according to question, we have lim x tends to 0, so lim x tends to 0, ex minus 1 minus x square upon 2 upon x cube is equal to lim x tends to 0, 1 by 6 plus 0 x4. okay, now what I focus is that when x tends to 0, then higher power of x will be more equal to 0, so you can cancel this out, it will be equal to 0, and we will get a final answer of 1 by 6. So this limit has a value of 1 by 6 by using the Maclaurin series for ex. Thank you.